so bright. Oh. Rum, 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 rum. All right, here we go. Showtime, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I'm so sturdy right now. Look at me. You guys see me? Sheesh. Holy no ops. We're driving safe, officer. Officer, I promise we drive so safe. Yeah. So you kind of get how it works?
Yeah.
Like with holding the button and then without holding it?
Yep. Some droney footage.
Droney. Sheesh. So then if you want...
Wait.
Oh, there you go.
Oh! I'm on top of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, hey. What's he doing? Do a Willie. Hello.
Hello.
Oh. Oh. That's sketch.
Oh yeah, boy. Oh my God! Don't.
No? What? Why is Nate?
Oh my gosh.
The floor. Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, it's cause I'm here. I have no top hat. Yeah. But like I'll bottom and I have you every day of the week.
Okay, ski, smoke, sleep, call, miss,
Yeah, you were catching me, yeah.
spoke, lie, feel.
Yeah. I saw you like when you were like about your headlights were at my tailgate is when I floored.
Somebody, baby mama, calling me daddy. I drank too much,
Yeah.
please call me a cabbie.
I gotta get this gear.
Colin, what's up, dude? What's going on?
Rock cutter, what's up?
Dude, it actually looks.
Finished truck. That's
Your
what's
truck
up.
looks actually. Look at it.
Oh,
on
dang,
cam,
on
yep.
camera it looks super bright.
It looks
It is
good.
pretty bright actually.
So give the viewers if they want rock lights. What are you running?
I'm running 16 36 chip and 8 15 chip.
And where are they like? You got like two here.
I have 4 along my frame rail from here, 2 here, 3 on my front fenders, or not front fenders, 2 on my grill, 1 right here, and 2 on like, my back area of my frame. Not really necessarily on my rear bumper, but right back here.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's lit. Go.
Spider-Man!
Bro, it looks fucking.
It looks polished. It's not that hard. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Whoosh.
Oh, there's people. There's people.
Famous last
I
words.
gotta grab my rope before they steal that shit.
Oh yeah, could you grab my hat? Your jacket? Throw it in the zip, Bob. Well, I don't want people. Good people.
Fucking nerds on their electric
Ready?
scooters.
Ready? Do that shit.
Oh! Dude, he's sturdy on the sticks. We're rolling deep tonight. Rolling like 5 deep. This is awesome. It's so sick looking.
I need more though. I need so much more.
I still put so much game.
I'd actually say.
Dude, look at the loadout. The old Dodge ain't here tonight, but we got the 4.7 here. Not the best, but you know. Garrett came out with us tonight. We got Gracie's truck, we got James's truck, we got Colin's truck, Nate's truck. Looks good. Dude, Colin is flexed out right now, bro. So is Nate. Look at Nate. Dude.
You say, James? No. Hey, that's how you blow a trans.
Who are you blowing?
That's how you blow your trans.
Oh, dude, if I might gimbal right now. Oh. Hi, friends. Oh my gosh. No, turn off your lights. You fuck. Oh shit. the duck and roll. Oh, there's Nathaniel in his 4.7. Looking so sweet. Thing looks pretty sweet. Then we got freaking sunshine. A little bit of mud action. Ooh. These are actually pretty good shots. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Mother effort. Posing over here. You know what I'm saying? Sweet.
Hey, we're gonna do the one of me and you down here.
Dude, it looks good right now. We got Garrett's truck here.
I'm gonna be behind you.
We got Colin's truck.
No.
Dude, it's looking pretty sweet.
But mine are too bright. It's gonna fuck up the camera.
Huh?
Mine are too bright. It's gonna fuck up the camera.
Oh, really?
All right. Ready? Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Sounds good.
I got insurance on it. Phew. Dude, it looks good, bro. Look at the little grip.